So it's time for us to go ahead and write our last unit test that's going to be for our naked pair strategy. And we're going to do that by right-clicking on the strategies, click Add, and choose New Item, search for Test, and then click Basic Unit Test. And now say Naked Pairs Strategy Test. Naked Pairs Strategy Test. So this is what you're going to get. Now we are going to say the following. We're going to test how it's going to eliminate things in naked pair from a row, from a column, and from a block. So let's go ahead and do that. I will say should eliminate numbers in row based on naked pair. Nice. Another thing we need to do is we need to say private read-only iSudoku strategy. So iSudoku strategy. We need to import this in the strategies and then say naked pairs strategy. So naked pairs strategy, and say that equals to new naked pair strategy. So then pass in new mapper, so Sudoku mapper, because it's a requirement. And we actually don't want to use it off the workers because, you know, we might need to use other things from workers and it's less verbose, so we're just going to import that by using the using keyword. And then we are going to create another fake Sudoku board. We're going to mock it out. So Sudoku board, and we are going to say the following in here. So let's see. Okay, so the first row is what we need. 1, 2, 34. Not 34, it's 3, 4 really. 5, 3, 4. Here's a naked pair. 6, 7, 3, 4, 8, and 9. And the rest of them are basically going to be zeros. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Great. Now let's copy that down here. So we need this to be here for 7 more times. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So that makes up for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And then we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Great. So now the test is going to say, okay, well, I have a naked pair on the row, and I need to eliminate that from this guy right here. Okay. So we're going to say var solved Sudoku board equals naked pair strategy solve Sudoku board, and then assert is true, and then I'm going to say solved inside of that solved Sudoku board 0, 7 equals to 8. What did I just do? 0, 7 equals to 8. Great. So 0, 7 is basically means 0th row, so 0 here, and then 7th column. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There you go. And that should be 8 because once 3, 4 is eliminated, it should be an 8. So let's actually go ahead and check that out. Open up the Test Explorer and then say pin it and run all. And there you go. Should eliminate numbers in row. If we change this to 9, you'll see that if we run this, it's going to break because that's not correct. If we say 8 though, that's going to pass. See that? So this is some nifty stuff. Let's now go ahead and write another test. I'm going to actually copy this because it's going to be very similar in structure. And I'm going to rename this to should eliminate numbers in column based on naked pair. So all we need to do is change this to call and then change the numbers up a little bit. So now these guys are going to be 0. So this guy right here, 3, 4. This is going to be 0. This is going to be 0. It's going to be 0, and this is going to be 1 still. But we're going to go down in the column. So 2, 4, 3, 5, 6, and then 2, 4, and then 7, and then 8, and then 2, 4, 9. There you go. And then what we're going to say is we're going to say, okay, do the same thing, run it through the naked pair strategy, and then say 8, 0 equals 9. So 8, 0 will be 8. So 8th row, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, the last one, and then 0th column, which is this. That should be 9 because we already have a naked pair of 2, 4, 2, 4, so that should take out the 2 4s and leave us with a 9. Let's run this. And you see, that runs as well. Let's write another one. This is some fun stuff, right? So we're making sure that our software works. This is going to say, should eliminate numbers in group, or rather block 1 based on naked pair. So it should eliminate numbers in block 1 based on naked pair. So I'm going to 0 these out, and we are going to mock out some data in the group, or rather block 1. I keep messing up the naming because I keep saying box or group, but the actual name is block. So with that said, let's create these numbers in here, 1, 2, 3, and then 4, 5, and then 6, 7, and then 8. So then we're going to have 4, 5 again, and then 4, 5, 9, 4, 5, 9. Great. So then we're going to say, do the same thing here. No problem. Still run it through the, solve strategy. And then that should be 9. So 2, 2. What is that? 0, 1, 2. And then 0, 1, 2. So we're targeting this guy right here. So within this block, this should turn to 9. Let's see if that'll work. Run it. And you see all 4 of our unit tests have passed. Let's go ahead and write another one. I will say the following. Should eliminate numbers in block 5 based on naked pair. So block 5 based on naked pair. So 0 these guys out once again. Space out. 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. Okay, so that is looking good. Take that out. And what we're going to do is we're going to put the numbers right in here. So which one is block 5, right? So this is the first one. This is the second one. This is the, third one. And then this is the fourth one. And the fifth one is right in the middle, right here. This is the guy. So what we're going to do is we're going to say 7, 8, 9. So 7, 8, 9. And then 12. 3, 4, 6, 12, and so 6, 12, which is our naked pair. And then I'm going to say 1, 2, 5. Great. So let's see if 5, 5 will equal to 5. So what is 5, 5? Let's count. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is the guy. So this should turn into 5 because we have a naked pair of 1, 2, 1, 2. That'll take it out from 1 to 5, and we will be left with 5. Let's run this. And once again, it passed. So our last unit test, let's write another one, because these are actually going by pretty fast. And you can notice that once you have a pattern down, once you set it up, writing more unit tests is actually a lot easier because you're basically following a pattern. And that's pretty nice. 0, 0, 0. So that should do that. And then 0, 0, 0. 0 these guys out. And then 0 here as well. Great. So this one is going to be group 9. So group 9 is the last group. So we're going to pop numbers here. And we'll say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 4, 5, 6. Another 5, 6 here. And then 5, 6, 7. 8. And 9. 8, 6. And then 7 here. So what is 8, 6? Row of 8, which is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then column 6, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So this guy. Our naked pair is 5, 6, 5, 6. So that'll take it out from 5, 6, 7, and we'll be left with 7. So let's see if that works. So again, click run. And everything passes. So all of our unit tests are passing. Everything is looking good. And we are in a good shape with this application as well. What I want to leave you with is this. This was a complex application that we wrote. No question about it. But the reason why I wanted to create this application with you is to push yourself from your comfort zone. I know that there are many courses that show you the basics and how to create basic applications. That's great. We've also created basic applications, but there's a time in which you just have to make the leap and jump into the abyss of the unknown, so to speak, and just figure things out. Even if it's complicated at times, you just need to do that. That's how you become a better professional. That's what it takes. In real life, you're going to be faced with much more difficult challenges than this. And if you can't deal with that, then you need to work that up. It's a skill. You don't need to be scared of it. Take these little steps of challenging yourself little by little by little, and you will see that at the end, you will be solving much more complicated problems than this. I guarantee you that. So always push yourself. Always push your limits. Do not be scared of difficult challenges. Always push yourself. Always learn. Never stop improving. And that is the key to becoming a professional who other people are looking up to. This is when you will be at your happiest. This is when you will be proud of yourself, of your work. And this is when you will be able to create amazing software that will help others and ultimately make this world better from your contributions. Thank you for staying with me throughout this process. I hope you have learned a lot.